Hello, this time on Quick Tips, I'll show you 3 tips about the popular networking site LinkedIn. Let's go! Tip 1. Change how your profile is viewed. This is similar to the controls in Facebook. To change how your profile and network information is viewed, click Me and then click Settings and Privacy, and you will see this screen. Next, click the Privacy tab right here, and you will see more than half a dozen options for changing who can see what information about you, and you'll see other privacy-related settings. Spend some time with it and adjust the settings to your preferences. Tip 2. View your post statistics. If you've ever posted an article or video to LinkedIn, you can see specific demographics about your readers. To see these stats, once again, click on Me, then this time click View Profile, and then scroll down till you see this dashboard section. Then you're going to click on the post views in the center. And then you'll click on the Post tab. Then scroll down to an article, and in the lower left, click the view counter next to the line graph icon. And voila! There are all the stats of the readers of your article broken down by company, by title, and by location. Tip 3. Use Boolean search terms. LinkedIn Search allows for Boolean search parameters, giving you the ability to filter a search more specifically and find exactly what you're looking for. You can do this by adding or eliminating elements from the search parameters. Let's say, for example, you wanted to find someone who was an expert in presentation design, and you used that as a key term in your search. Your search results would show anyone who has the words presentation and design in their profile, even if the two words were located separately. By adding quotes around presentation design, your search results would only list those who had the two words together. Another example could be if you wanted to find someone that has expertise in both infographics and presentation design. You would do a Boolean search like this: infographics in quotes and presentation design in quotes. By adding the and qualifier, you group those two terms together, ensuring that you see more relevant results. Let's look at some other Boolean search parameters that you can use for more targeted search results. Or, if you'd like to broaden your search to find profiles which include one or more terms, you can separate those terms with the uppercase word or. For example, Microsoft or LinkedIn, Vice President or VP or VP or SVP or EVP. Moving on, if you'd like to do a complex search, you can combine terms and modifiers and use parentheses. For example, design and graphic or presentation, copy editing or copy editor. Next is not parameter. If you'd like to do a search but exclude a particular term, type that term with an uppercase not immediately before it. Your search results will include any profile containing that term. VP, not director. Using parentheses, Google or Salesforce, and not LinkedIn. That's it. That's 3 tips that you can use to improve your overall skills in using LinkedIn. Join me next time for another Quick Tips. Bye.